Good day! Welcome to Math Class, kung saan math technique ang may math alam. So for today's video, we will going to topic about the problem solving involving oblique triangle using the law of cosine. So here is the things we need to remember kapag nagsusolve tayo ng problems involving oblique triangles using the law of cosine. So kapag nag-illustrate tayo ng problem at naka-form tayo ng triangle na SAS and an SSS triangle, it will lead us to determine that the law we were going to use is the law of cosine. So, dapat lagi nating i-analyze yung triangle. So, if it is an SAS or an SSS, so law of cosine yung gagamitin natin. So, now let's recall the formula of the law of cosine. Here is the formula for the unknown angles and here is the formula for the unknown side of the oblique triangles. So, magkaiba po yung formula ng angles at formula ng sides sa law of cosine. So, now let me give you an example. In the carnival, the carousel is 22 meters away from the clown and the clown distance to the Ferris wheel is 18 meters. The carousel and the Ferris wheel form an angle of 37 degrees with the clown. How far is the Ferris wheel to the carousel? So the first thing we need to do is to illustrate the problem. So as we can see in this picture, the triangle we form is an SAS triangle. So from that aspect, the law that we were going to use is the law of cosines. And we were going to find the distance of the carousel to the Ferris wheel, or the horizontal distance. So now, since we were talking about the side, yung side po kasi yung hinahanap natin. Yung horizontal, ito pong nasa baba. Na yan, yung hinahanap natin. So now, since we're talking about the sides, this is the formula we were going to use. So let's say na si unknown is the is the side A. So A squared is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine angle A. So this is the formula. So now let's substitute the value. A squared is equals to B squared. So let's say our side B is 22. So 22 squared plus, and our side C here is 18 meter. So 18 squared minus 2 times 22 times 18 cosine angle A, which is 37 degree, which is the opposite the angle of our unknown, which is A. So now let's continue the computations. So 22 squared is equal to 484 plus 18 squared is equal to 324 minus 2 times 22 times 18 is equal to 792. So copy, let's just copy cosine 37 degree and continue the computation. 484 plus 324 minus 324 plus 484. So, copy muna natin. 484 plus 324 minus 632.52, which is the value of 792 cosine 37 degree. So, pwede na natin itong idiretsong sa pag-compute. Pwede na natin idiretso to sa scientific calculator na i-compute. So, yung result dyan o yung lalabas na sagot sa scientific calculator is A squared is equals to 175.48. Since merong naka-squared yung ating side A dito, we need to square both side para mawala yung 2. So, our A here is equal to the square root of 175.48. Yung square root ng 175.48 is equals to 13.25. So, this is how we find the side or the distance of the carousel to the Ferris wheel.